Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in with us. So I've got this Pro R here, and we just wrapped up an installation video for the Tusk Folding Glass Windshield. Now, we actually have 3 different glass windshields from Tusk for the Pro R. Today we're talking about the folding option, but there's also the full glass windshield and the full view glass windshield. And I will talk about the differences between the 3 here in just a minute to help you decide which one you feel is going to be best for you. But the folding glass windshield is going to be for the driver that wants the most versatility out of a windshield possible. We've got it up right now in the full position, but what's nice is that, let's say it's a hot day, you want maximum airflow going into the cab. Well, just like the name says, this windshield folds completely down onto these brackets that installed the hood, so it's out of your field of view, unobstructed vision, and you're getting tons of air going right into your cab. So you have that option. What's also nice about this though, is that when it is in the up position, so let's say you're driving, you don't want maximum airflow, but you still want some air coming in the cab. Well, there is a vent that is down here at the bottom that you can open and close to still get airflow going into the cab with it in the up position. And I'm gonna tell you right now, you might not think it, but this vent, when you have that thing wide open, it lets quite a bit of airflow in. And what's nice too is that you can have it just barely crack if you just want a little bit coming in. So the versatility is what makes this windshield unique. The frame is made from a powder coated 1/8 inch thick aluminum. The glass itself is a safety laminated auto glass, so the same glass on your car, your truck's windshield, which means the clarity, the durability is phenomenal. Also has a slight tint to it just to make it a little bit easier on your eyes on those bright sunny days. And this windshield also comes with a 12-inch wiper blade that you operate manually from the inside. Now, install, very, very simple. So these brackets on the hood utilize factory mounting locations. There's 0 modification or drilling that you have to do to get any of this mounted up. So you got these brackets here, and then for the windshield itself, you have 2 lower clamps at the bottom of the roll cage, very low profile. And you can see we've even got our Tusk folding pivoting mirrors here with those low profile roll cage clamps there. But then on the top, you have this filler panel right here, and that just mounts using factory locations that you have on your OEM roof. And then once you have that mounted up, you get everything lined up, you're good to go. So like I said, we have a how-to video, super detailed, step-by-step, how to get this installed, but it's not difficult. And you can see it works great with the OEM roof. Now, like I said, there are 2 other options for full glass windshields that you can choose from for your Pro R. There's this, then there's the full glass windshield. So the full glass windshield is going to give you an awesome field of view. It just doesn't fold down completely out of the way, but you still have the large vent down here at the bottom. And then the third option is the full view glass windshield. And just like the name says, it gives you the maximum field of view. There's pretty much no frame on that windshield. No drivers really like it. The only drawback or thing you want to keep in mind with that full view is that there is no vent at the bottom of that windshield. But in any case, there's 3 different options to choose from. We have spotlights on all 3, so go watch those, kind of see how they look on the machine, and then decide which one you feel is going to be best for you. If you don't want a full windshield, we do also have half polycarbonate windshields that you can choose from as well. So if you have questions or comments about this, please leave those down below. We'll help get those answered. To see the windshields that we offer, and also you can see that we have the rear glass window installed on this Pro R as well. That is also from Tusk. Same great construction with the frame and the glass. If you're trying to enclose your cab, that's an awesome accessory to have. So click the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com to grab yours. It's very simple. Just enter the year, make, and model either on the product page or the home page, and you will see everything that will fit your side-by-side. We ship for free over $75. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you do want to stay up to date on products like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be good to go. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.